Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we shall take a look at Agorapulse. So this is a social media management software that allows us to manage all of our platforms from everywhere into one manageable system. So if you are a social media manager, you can use this to fully optimize managing all different posts, scheduling things into all of your social media accounts. Now, if we take a look at this is our dashboard. So as you can see here, I am using a trial version, but this will allow me to go through all of the things with you already. So on the left hand side here, we have a publishing composer. We have the inbox itself, the listening. So this takes a look at everything being done into your social medias, a publishing calendar, fans and followers, reports, social media ROI, and your library as well. Now here at the moment, I have a connected social media profile, which is a YouTube channel. So this is what it looks like. And if we take a look at our YouTube channel and take a look at the dashboard, as you can see here, so this is my YouTube channel, which has no content at the moment. But what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we can upload things through Agorapulse. Now let's go back to the platform itself. And at the very beginning of when you sign up, you will need to connect all of your social profiles. And if you haven't, or if you have new profiles to add, all you have to do is click on this plus icon here on the bottom left, and then you can add a social profile right here. So with the social profiles right here, you can add all of these. So these can be your Facebook page, your Facebook group. If you have an Instagram business profile, you can add this, a Twitter profile, LinkedIn profile, a LinkedIn company page, your YouTube channel, which I have added right here, Google business profile, and your TikTok account. Now you can actually add multiple profiles from here. So say if you have multiple TikTok accounts, you can add all of those as well. Now let's go ahead and try to post something into our YouTube account. So what we can do is we can go into this publishing composer right here. And then this is what we can add into it. So as you can see here, you can select which social profile you want to add these into. So you can put them here. You can then create your post right here. So this is depending on which one you have. As you can see, these are the number of characters that you can use. You can go ahead and create your post itself. So check this video out, something like this. And then you can drag and drop any footage that you have right here. Or you can browse files, i.e. via your computer, your library, or you can design one with Canva. Now, before we upload anything, I just want to talk about this library section here, because if you want to pre-upload your media files, you can do that by, let's close this a sec, going onto this library section right here. And all you have to do is just add a folder. So this is a content library system where you can, again, filter things out. You can add them into a draft. And then here are your queues, which allows you to schedule things or when to post them as well. So let's go ahead and try to post something. So let's rewrite this. Check this video out. And again, of course, you can add all of these additional icons. You can add in some hashtags as well. So you can add a group of hashtags. So say, for example, right here, depending on the content that you have, if you are constantly posting similar contents, then you can easily just add your group of hashtags right there. So say, for example, this one is the travel hashtag. And then what kind of hashtags would we take a look at? Well, hashtag travel, hashtag adventure, hashtag vlog, or something like that. And then just go ahead and add that. And then once that you can you have a group of hashtags available, you can easily just click on this, And as you can see here, it will just add in all of your hashtags so that you can fully automate this really quickly. And now, one amazing thing as well that you can use for Agorapulse is they have added some help using AI. So say for example, we have this post right here, or we have this description right here, but it's not fully engaging. Like, how can you make that much more engaging? All you have to do is click on this. So as you can see here, it says enter your initial text and watch as writing assistant takes it to the next level. So let's give a little bit more context into our video. Say for example, traveling to Japan and excited and watch the cherry blossoms. Let's go ahead and let the writing assistant do its thing. So let's just click on this. And now, as you can see here, this is an AI powered tone and format. This is our original content right here. And if you want to, make it sound more funny or make it more as a promotional thing, more engaging, you can just click on it, and then the AI itself will, rewrite all of this out by taking a look at all of the contents that we have. So, this is already a post or a description that is added. So, jetting off to Japan and catching a glimpse of the breathtaking cherry blossoms. What could be more enchanting and exciting? It's the perfect time to embark on a journey, blah, blah, blah. So you can see right here, it's added all of those. If we want to make it more engaging, let's try this. Let's click on this, and the AI itself, will generate that blog post. So are you ready for an incredible journey to Japan? And then blah, blah, blah. So it's right here. If you want to change this a little bit more, say for example, with the format, this feels a little too short. So we can go ahead and expand it if you wanted to. And then again, the AI will do everything for you. And once that you're happy with this, go ahead and then send to composer. So right here, this is our post, which is amazing already. This is very engaging. It's added in some emojis as well, which is a nice touch. Now I'll go ahead and add a video into this. So I have added a quick video. We'll just go ahead and drag and drop this, and we unlock some more additional things into this. And as you can see here, it's already accessing your information on your YouTube profile. So say for example here, thumbnail customization is only available on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And this YouTube account requires a verified account. So this is not fully verified. So it's giving you more context into this as well. And now at the bottom, we can then start adding in, some more information. So YouTube options, what is the video title? Vlog 01 to Japan. And as you can see, this is what the post would look like. If you want to preview the video, you can go ahead and do so. All you have to do is click play and it will play for you. So this is just a blank video with an audio in here, so you won't be able to hear it, but you can already start to preview your items right here. You can then start to take a look if you want your video to be public or private. So we want to add comments into this, so let's just add this as public for now. And then here are some more optional categories that we want. What kind of video is it? What kind of do we have a playlist that we want to add? Any video tags, any licensing issues, or any license that we need to add? So we have your usual standard YouTube license or your Creative Commons attribution license. And then you can also make these videos or this YouTube video embeddable. So essentially, if someone likes your video and wants to use that in their blog post or any sites, they can go ahead and do that. And then of course you can notify subscribers, and then also it asks if it's made for kids. So here is our post all set and ready already. And now before we post this, I'm just going to take a look at this labels section here, because this will then allow us to manage everything in terms of our whole social media content. So say for example, this kind of post I know is a vlog type. So let's just add this vlog label right here. So this is for future purposes and for, enabling you to organize everything. And now we're ready to create this post or to publish this post. But before that, if you take a look on the bottom right here, it says there is this assigned to. And if this is a draft, which, for example, we don't have a post yet or we don't have the video yet, but we can start to add or edit the content or the descriptions itself. We already know what kind of video it will be. You can go ahead and do that. Or if we need to make changes, you can do that as well. You can then assign, to the person itself. You can select the user. So this social media management is for a whole team, or you can do some collaborations in here. So at the moment, there is only one assignee right here, so you can do that. And then before you publish anything, you can choose if you want it to be approved or not. And here are some internal and external optional messages as well. Now we can go ahead and click publish now, or we can also choose as to when we will publish this right here. So say for example, we know our scheduled date where we have the most engaging time zone and or we are able to engage our viewers the most at a certain time. You can go ahead and add a date and time in here. So all you have to do is just choose a date, add a date, and then apply, the time itself. So do take note that this is based on your current time zone. So if you are aiming towards posting this on a different time zone, then just adjust on when to post this. Now I'm going to go ahead and publish this now. So I'm going to click publish now. And then let's go ahead and click OK, got it. And it says here, your post is ready to be published soon. And then if we take a look at our YouTube account, you can see that it has been uploaded right here. So since this is only a 10-second video, YouTube automatically takes this as a YouTube short. And then if we take a look at the video analytics and then go into details, you can see that everything that we have added is all right here. So say for example that you are an editor and you use Agorapulse, then you can easily post all of these videos very quickly without having to manually do it through the YouTube studio itself. And as you can see here, this video has been published already. It's visible, it is public at the moment. So if we click on the link, we should be able to see it. We should be able to see it right here. And then say for example, if you have some posts or some comments, let's go ahead and do something. I am the first commenter right here. Add this comment and then we'll add a like as well. Now, all of those analytics, let's go ahead and see how we can manage that through Agorapulse. So let us go back to Agorapulse. And as you can see here, within the calendar, this allows you to see all of the posts that you have done and all of the upcoming drafts that you have as well. Now, if you're interested in seeing the analytics for the YouTube itself, all you have to do is go into the post itself. So this can be seen either through the calendar. So let's click on this, and then we have the social media statistics right here. So as you can see, this will then track any unique clicks, any goal completions, goal value, transactions, generated revenue, and all of that. Now, what we will do is we will add another social media account so that we can actually see the social media ROI statistics right here. So I'm just going to add another account here. Let's go into add social profile, and we're going to add a Twitter profile right here. So all I have to do is click Twitter profile, and then we will go ahead and authorize this. And now once that we have authorized this, we can see that we have another profile installed or activated right here. Let's go ahead and add a tweet itself. So I'm going to click on this, and then we're gonna add a caption. Let's go ahead and add something. So let's do this, and then let's just allow AI assistant to do anything to do with this. Okay, so once we're happy with this, go ahead and send to composer, and then you can go ahead and add a thread in here if you want to. Let's say, for example, I made this post using Agorapulse, which is amazing. Here we are. So you can go ahead and add some more in here, so that, say for example, some Twitter accounts, they were able to create a thread like this. So this can be about anything. Say for example, here are some of the social media marketing advices or things that I have learned over the past year, and then they create a thread. This is one of the ways that you can do that. And here we are. If you want to add some media files, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this now, and then we'll click OK. Now let's take a look at our publishing calendar section right here. And as you can see, we have this post right here. It's still pending at the moment, so we will wait until this has fully posted. But again, you can take a look at all of this right here if you want to see all of the social profile posts that you have. And now let's go back and check. You can see it says here that it's been published right here. So if we go to our Twitter account, and then let's take a look at our profile, you should be able to see that here it is. So we've managed to create a post right here, and then we've added that thread already right here as well. And here you go. So as you can see here, we have managed to add different social profiles that will allow us to post to all of those accounts through Agorapulse. Now going through all of these right here, as you can see here in this social media inbox. So this is allowing us to take a look at all of the posts that we have made. So if there are things that we need to review, or there are things that has been assigned to us, then we can see them all through here. If we take a look at the profile posts as well, you can go ahead and see them all in here. Now for the Twitter account, to be able to use this, you would need to add a paid plan subscription. But go ahead and try out all of the different social profiles that are available. So say for example, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, Instagram Business Profile as well, so that you can start taking a look at all of these. So say for example, some listening items right here, and some interactions with your fans as well. So if there are any comments or any reports coming from there, you can go ahead and see them as well. And then one of the most amazing things that you can take a look at is the reporting feature as well. So in the reporting feature, this allows you to take a look at your reports. So, how is the analytics of your current post and all of them. Here, Twitter is only available if we have the Twitter Plus, and the YouTube account right here is currently not supported for YouTube channel. Now for the social media ROI, you would need to add your Google Analytics for this, but here are some examples of what the social media ROI could look like. So say for example, these are published content that you have right here. You can easily see all of the unique clicks, any transactions, even any purchases that you have on your accounts. And you can again funnel things up. You can funnel them by team member as well, so you can have a gain of who in your team is doing well in terms of their performances as well. And there you go. Go ahead and try out all of these different media profiles. So if you are a social media manager, this is very helpful for you to take a look at. If you have found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.